So, ma gele jo mo ya we susu gwale. Na ke do ga kade gboto. Umayene, but you know me, you don't play with me, don't play. Go ask people my story. Uwe jibe noga. Ugo sak bijime. C'est ça des social media. If you say evil mean, ije me ogbelama, era me ogbelama, ije me ogbelama ma yakin. Oh, kini job mo ite dona janomo, unwewe kini ogano. Eriteron, ide nuwe analyze ni bodoni. That one no, it not serve me. You know why? Oh, we talk keke, we won amugwe pagbe we yes we so we said that swabe of you work we so with social media na como isaka na swabe of you work we na so we mami we rock we no gumere city we mami we me no re Canada dry no mami odo no ga ji go gwalo do lele yahian ba o mi sa mosum husband ti na ye gwana ejere no wodo we no ye try say aji go kun I je by mistake we ya no ye work iro omo ade kon na me go bust your bubble nugwe mind gbugwe modo sale kwa mama na mumu ugwe ni ma wo gba ye mo we susu gwale ma so in the saga has just begun. The saga has just begun. Since we ka the ogo mo ju gwe ne we na ma yogo mo ya we me kwejo but me aka mo we money me vio hiani it go solo bo ade when we judge 77 spam ya donona Lare Obama na mumu, we may be you don't understand me, you know they catch me. You never born. When I share this video, you never born. If you born, we go know. You never born. This one a egg of another woman, another man, with mix together, 77 all plus together. Now they take from this one, you pay. They carry another person DNA give you. You could talk to me more. You they play. You they play. And they ask you, are you playing? So don't play with me, don't cheat with me because I'm very, very brutal. Who what one up there? No, we a desert in Miami. Where na be your uncle? We born 5 children with 5 mothers. Forget that matter. We know the story. A story where my story me and the truth. The only 2 weeks now you spend for my family. I'll not be my brother marry you. Not be my own blood brother marry you. Na my cousin Otien Wegbe or Marewe. I beg him me the Germany wana we lele meje la ho adigwe mo you go the ticket le luwari wa umiamie. So make una listen to why I go to beat this idiot beating mama we do prostitution we no make am. Iju egbasawo ma make e. Iju gbe to gbasawo na gbo me ni beto ma ye blow. Iju gwelga was se guanto ejuga ukbo. They not saying why I say me una call the Murphy come just now. Because people don't beg me for the Murphy matter. I don't even me myself I can't even verse. Leave on. Say okay, I don't hear. When I they go. But at the Murphy now they see a prostitution wife. Because I hate a prostitute. He ain't a boy why prostitute. Destitute okono klobo you okono your big me okono sisiga. Oh, si gagnant da fond, oh, si gaillou. Mais we adole le Johnny Godi McBene in a flush way. He make bugwe na gbada fond by na flush wa, in a make bijoué. In a woman, maybe you may. Oh, zero already. I'm going to go and remove your mother from the grave. I've been waiting for you to do that. Umayewe, Ed Muffin Ogionba, Umayewe, Umayewe, Halawa. You got with a better than what the Muffin like, eh? Nimi a walk here say. What me might post the other here post this to make us so. No song whether they were no bell. Eddie Wahalawa. Eddie sucking Ogion Balawa. No team whether they do ban it out with social media. Also, when me couldn't go lama, why my quena? Imakue. Mama na mumu, I go to beat you. Ye business you go, you what me call. Who was he go? My dear, me zigo ye marriage. Is zigo ye kia? Kia is for free. Me set zigo ye marriage. Maybe you said when I just word. Is zejo? Let you zigo ye marriage. I'm mother for me. I deal with boy you go me marry, but mamure. And I come when you go away. Me have a golodobe we book no one January. But when the Canada did those, oh ye nyadi. E Canada ye baou o ye nyana. Amami o ba ye filo boy wa be kosili bie we ya la diane. Amami no mu where you are. You be a crying begging my brother, my cousin. Uga inia. Uga jigo inia. You talk about my sister. Uga you pay my sister on a monthly salary. When my work bazi yo. You know why you were doing it. Uga inia kia ne ke no gele do wese do. Uga inia kia unya ve dia unya o se ne vana feliwe. You be a cousin o kwa. Una we abego tele le dia. Uga we bury adeno we bury is wo. When I turn in, ask my family, they will tell you more about me. Everyone we are turning me back, okay. Mrs. Abrusa Jala, we know that. He got done with where. Okay, that what me. There are people that are in a platform that knows me well. Ni ejime, they teach me wosa. When me large with social media, people for they call different platforms. Let me check your bubble. Go and ask why secure banning will be here. You got more information about my mother. I live why secure with your mommy. My mother left market 2001. I stopped my mother. Go and ask. He stop no stop Jimeki. My adjo killer my vision here asuseba. Irrevocable. My father died. Immediately my father died. When my father died, I just want to. I'm not claiming it for you. I'm not even here to debunk anything. Anything you say is true, but wait for my own. It's going to be water. Yeah, I'm not knowing. I'm supposed to make sure we make go in depression and make us see well around it. You already explaining yourself how you spent 16 years in marriage and my work. How you take 16 years? How old was you? How old was that? How old was thou for spending 16 years in marriage and my work? Then after you've left that marriage, you went and married. You went and marry and remarry and come back to the same marriage you wish you have left behind. When you check him on the social media, no I left and go and come back. Wale kukobiri okpano. Wale kukobiri nyege eritayimi undan. No ya we fibros vedere or when we fibros. E fibros no aru we ko se we tell we gege to do. I gbe spam mi won, we di we gbe spam mi won. No te ya gege ya bie beto magbae. Oh we ga yin, oh we ga yin the whole family. Any contact, you know, I blocked you. Any contact of the family you have, you must be, you are no brabbing to it. What well, call you what I can't remember when you were paying everybody on monthly salary. How does that have to do with me? Did I play with you? Did I have a relationship with you? Never. Why already I causing me area webo? Where or we get not fini be very agrigieri momo ni moduemo. Where buy me a problem. When you see problem, they know me that family akbolo my CIA. I fight with truth. I don't fight people with lie. Any me when me ta. Every now me unu seme yata hu. Every now me omuna o kwanya breaking news. O kwanya mo o yo we mu le yan. O kwanya mo. Ukwa. Efia mo wonyamo. Na me they tell you. We know the story already. O wonyamo na. Gweta boy manonyamo. Ekrona ya huwe fibros. Ori seva. Ona de sperm. About 77 sperm or deva. Oka we ma ona fail. Ona we de go hu. Viva. No tie. No ya tie. So then we don't. Ukwa. E mata na ma kon we man. Okay, what the here ki rest of our one where I was second because we're going increase the rank rest of our one, you know. Where here what to when I to a lamqua Eva away river. I want to be belonging. I me hurry where you belong. You have to come and register with Saga Mary Holiday. Holiday di jenani a oye sevu wena. Mi a iju weni no bashawo. No ga we se gwanto wukpo. Ije se gwanto ga we Napoli go ask. Se gwanto ije Violet ga o. Ije unu gaju we bien iju we bien arrow 5. Arrow 5 ni ju we bien like mother like daughter. Arrow 5 ni e pe vana wuwo. Ye vana na ya do dori. Ye me vana we be vani to we wu. Ogon bijuwe wabola juwe gbea iju gwe ya gijime ijime adazeno no stop ijime ve ki go ask the question ne vijime ni ke nwa we gbo be wo se ya neya Me, more first lady of the family, go and ask. Where every family have a breadwinner. More first lady of my family, go and ask. I go gaga. I money stop nonsense. Lare faluyi. Where did you not go? You got a voice where we buy. I am going to beat you. You that is my cousin. You got a voice where we buy. We are with ya negotiate ya iko. No matter takwe. Akiko. Na mwigo jonwe. Na wa mwigo jonwe na awe kianyawe. Ona ti moto gboawe hotel. Okay. You got a voice where if you never make be ya tawa. You will not like me. You know me now. You know me. I give member of a family or see a family thing ya big me because when I say more no nonsense person. When I start, I start. He got siere. Ereni on ve oh me I tuere nya mama na mumu ogin soto isoke me wabi soke wane soke no vidausa he me wabi wa me gbin hands down 100-0 no he gbe hands down soke we vie mo na no bi ari holiday Dubai ma wo dey Dubai he ke we no ari odo come mama no say dey go because so dey wa pele le na those are the people who ka gbo boke woni who wa gbin mo ko stop gbin na ni we can stop the fight. Are you crazy? Are you normal? Make the view when we're there. We are posting. We are posted view. Under 10 minutes, so I made 10,000 views. What's my business there? Am I competitive with you? What make social media not be? Maybe you may get social media. We are there for. We are there kebab no more. We are there hamburger no more. We there be already school. Omo manya. Go mave. Go huove kekive go be omukia. We kaya bien ne we kedo gume go. Me kokomne. Keni me bia o keni me ma bia me kokeya ne. We are here, Mona Wusi, and many me coco. Go check it out. Why me money? I have we buoyancy to we more. If you see many don't wound me coco, we got me and got the picture and you go wrong. If you see me coco, no be say that come shop. Oh, Bonia movie, ni amogo me yamuya. Me ko you bomb muya so me. And even if when we get it, we me ma beer, we me ma gele beer, there's no problem where we way. Where you saw, where you can wear. No ma bia jane wenwe ama iwe iwa ngogo me no home wu no we aragbo uwe de mado gbe sugole go mado yo mo fie gambo ade mada a chess game ayo mo yafi ade na no ga akade gbuto me awe to the extent why toto mu gwe na jugo gwe na na so kakan even no to hia so social media na morone even no to o hia me sure view the social media na why view den siwa no atohia umi bi umi women level, no level. Good morning, Osas. I see you. Oh, Vivian, I greet all of you now. I greet everybody who did the platform. Now, welcome. Now, thank you. Now, do I catch the phone? You don't know me. Me, so what? Nika ya better of you gonna never bury grants. Nika ya better, nika ya go better, nika ya go mo yo toni sweran fwa. Me I sweran fwa ne. They made us so a shock away. It's one agbe la be you oni san. E va do bia na ge asegbe ma zen. Ya ne jouer. Isu we fu akpo we your money. Because someone don't know you zangije okay. Isu we are not that me your money. Ijime is proud of me. Well, because why I respect the Francine, she fake insult my own mother. Now see me the last way I tell her say me not go insult him mama. I not go trying, I not go insult him mama. I not go insult it pikin. But that she first constated. So now we're going to comment for that picture for them will not try him again. More not try him again. I go plan for another one and say, now she first come insult me with Peking. Now she first bring Peking back to enter inside. He said me there 54 years and never born. Ask me, is that true? So anybody will bring Peking back to enter saga. That means say he want me the saga you want Peking. And he a work be your weko. He don't know who. He don't know when I who you are. My work be as well raise power too. Now I know kabia with my wife. Egbe de make him 54 years. Me we awa be baba baba me na me other period me na. Me we awa be baba baba once we finish a period when you are the kiala. Opian. The last time I check, when my that we watch me, we made that kita we abeg ekume. Ekume matter we la jane mo yak man because he go along mona be a street. Me bio me streets. He wa e me kue. I don't do that. He bio me streets. I have to go and abort it because why? He be on the streets. And they forbid. He must be a kabore no heke. We just be na my way patebo. O ti gume ko komoni o ti to takeme ike nyo nyegbe wi hian bie ibie di oni ye biomo na ya homa o. If not, I enjoy myself. Let me someone you wabana me seti ade kini me jena na. Agen gumege. Iwe di yak mi fun. O. Iye gera ro wa. O gba o ka me baba ize. Ya rock lega. Come back. But when you are you have a bastard child in your house who has no father. Necessity chest DNA, okay? A sperm of 77 sperm. Why are chest right? Why stress right? Where? 77 sperm. Why are chest right? Mona who was 77? Arumaya. Are you playing? Umaya 77 sperm. Umaya, why okay? Why here come muna working you come on right? Ukwa uwe mi uja. Uga mi problem I want to belong. If you go we ga mi le sakuze bude to the extent when uzwa se when uzigo ye kiase. Una ye ba una mukwa mo kan aje we just to make sure what second on why 002 by all miss. Video got the fear you room. I beg of mafia. Oh, we be the taxi driver. Go and ask. Big fish, big thing, everything big. Ilele bieka. That's Ilele bieka. Ah, we me la on social media. Good morning, Jenny. I greet you. Ilele, yeah, la a big fish. And everybody I tell you, I saw boy. Well, my baby boyfriend, me and Tawa Shentrono. Eh, we mama bega Shentro vive Italy. Imu Shentro. Then weje. Uzigo je kia. Uzigo ivye kwe. Uwe beria. Ne boyfriend we. Why kamejo? Etu we ya mama kia. Tu ka ona most so we marriage ni by all means. I don't fit tell you your life history. That what me ibona me agbo wegbe. Me so wa we give me so one. We give me so one. Me evidence ni me ma we can have evidence la de we mo body me be mure me itie be wa gele mi o sa kuji me lawa ikayo ni sun aga gele mi wo ni me ya mo body ti me an adamo ti me bi gele mo body me ti jo mo gbo e we ma mi e bo we di o se amo edere manya ede boni magono manya via boni magono o via ihi manya via o we wo via but o via e mahin manya via egbe manya via ma we ma egbe me cause me that is no sini jime ovira vijo vie no dion on via yon we ou me a yon we boni for your information so ya hian mo via gbo easy gojo i mo egbo i so ma via ovia ni jomo ya so my we gemenuta because go vie nyo more ni how we madu ya mo ya we gwale imi se mechi be bere o we nane i do ge we o ma wu ne be sia umeme iso kene gbe na gbo wo no bieli be chile no bieli be sa di wa ha wo do akoli we we tono na o ngwe tono do amosi banu imoti so ke la reverse in a long time ago with Deutschland in as far as I'm concerned. Eleve me Deutschland so we so ke ya wu no ke ya gbegbe wa o re mo no bi ovie o we de tama bi mase ovie no din o gbera o yin na mo ne re magba o iwadi fori la toilet o re ni ruwe o nge o gave e ke na kulo boju e ke na fie kia you in fact it's suspected body there we sucking allegedly it's okay me is a we there's a bijou e you don't do we be tarawa o do you we be tita iji me no you be ya maso wa wo sa biji mama ijo mo awosa ijo mo na wosa oya ikokemo is good ijo wa no do gbashawo ya onugwa ijo wa na gbashawo iji soke o hiohwo ba ne de dade etu o refuafo ona ajespe ona do gbashawo where you back be me wala wo ona do gbasha ashi wele o give man ashi wele agwa wo ge se breaking and fasting je na wa ball la jou egbe wa li oho e won na je be ari me na ge breaking and fasting je na o be mo ti de Guy, a breaking and fasting guy, a making a gear na him. Ubegay, I want ye me. No, Jevari, never born like you wag me. Each grain of the bookman wagwanwe. In a view boy now, in a help wa. I see make me, but why worry? Me raven or you act with you what I digital. It is okay, this is Spain. It was yes, me at the attitude, we just okay, a petty is okay when I'm gonna robot it. Ni joya do bashawo opon iji soke le won ba won abowa iji soke ma do to ma bowa iji me na wosa ona bowa ona dowa ona made like 4 houses confirm one eye property no lele but iji me na wosa but am me ro palo la the social media na de we e gari no wa tolo do ni ati vie rijo iji wa wosa why on there but iji we Violet gwen kamo e kini ju do o no mu ju we ade mu ju we ade tali Violet, let me remind you, let me take you back. The dead burial. She's studying in Mara supply me with the stadium. The man is so near, woman here. Woman no your tenige me way. You will stand here, una koi mudia. When no ya reputation give me to be me, when no ya time away. Mara, iji Mara supply muta hotel. Ma. We were the best supplier of Doni. Anybody in the année 1,000 euro you talk. Who got me one proof? I'm not body ladian. Wait, other ladian will Jimmy when you sa. One person, one will be a vary. Kayadi money ladian. All the time, a platform, all ladian with video. Or we Jimmy when you sa. Even as a tea asani. Won't go here, Ben, but it's what it will lie above your boy. Or we just will Jimmy Gale when you sa. Aga ha kogijime wo wa rowa. A store local stop nijime me rubber marketing is more than 40. A year attachment nijime me rubber marketing is more than 50. Ima just so ni se wa mu. Egbe no nya gu ne wa view ahia. Ima dele local stop the rubber marketing ni. Iju wa ma ti jo bo. Iji me yo bo. Ibeti ju wa ma se ti jo bo. Iju wa di akpiko ye come shine, but on my blow. And that's not how they more lakbo. And that's not where we divine. But it's what they won't do no him. They need them no him. It's when I'm a pig bisenaya mure to start with. It's when I retaliate on our feel sanara. On our way she contact, she tells me, she contacts, I who is way 50 cents. She contacts, she tells me, I even pick up dojo. Ciao. You ya pico dojo. We married but we're not have you him te bon to what now? Ya giore, uta we kebe loka we na kebu loka. Il jouait. Il jouait. Good morning, President. Speak with my darling. Il jouait. She quanta. C'est 50 ans où il jouait. Without no rubber. Ama c'est 50 ans. Aya où il jouait, maman et moumou. Il jouait notre son, il jouait dans shower. Il jouait agbewe. No, suppose cousin brother do not have spolo what's up. We hiamu. Il jouait go avec minomu. Avec minomu. Il jouait different femmes. Okay, where the arrow but la jaman we garwe haniji me biena. Iji me stay in the marriage audio jawe wani. We my story jime we my best story jime ma we. Mega we do me voice cousin brother me do tamu wa no so 1962. The family ni. Na the truth they talk. Yeme. If follow you ni yeme. Ye ya church me no the winner hama ni la wo ni here we matter na. Ayi me we my egba me. Agwe me no apiki me ayolo the say if not even in lata. You know what I've experienced in life? Where can the borrow the give me? Who can the borrow the give me? Who need to know where? Ah, ogwa agbomo na jo jeboy. What are you at jeboy? What are any fear with ye? Any anywhere, a Monica or the jeboy. When a jeboy na do bona ona tie say you need a gbese. Yes, so it don't long go, my dread. It don't long go be smarty. Et jouer. C'est ce guanto, tu comptes ce dit, mais il y a où jouer avec Napoli. Il joue exact, bachawo. On a la deformation of Achawo. If you were like the formation of Ashawo, if you were destitute, if you were Mabina Rockba, or you were Gita, or you were Bieleya, not being a bonny or 200 in the Nosini, Yare character, can you compare a character with yours? Can you compare your sister character with yours? Or two, or be the what be 5 by 5, 5 by 5 woman. Copy, J-boy, copy, one copy. But they call her J-boy, no bell. When no guy in Monica will not lag. When they follow, I will follow me. What are you view? Where was your way? When I want to Monica, kick away for no kick away for one. Eh, when they bait the domu. Was soon. Where to the Monica Saga? Who said it? To take boa. In a Zivugaga. Oh, this and that. Are you stupid? No go na benene o gwena no revana no ya hie jebo na o go hia gbejwa o hia yakokere no social media o hia vive sagye mo e mo na no gere na sise o we also ma no balo we ma ne mo jie o sie o ma no ya wa fie kia you o wa taking we ma ho o we ya de kon ho o ya wo ho oni e kan di ye o we ya den we ya form mo we ma bie we ma fie kia you we taking. We might take it then now. We do how we remember take it. But don't wanna call listen to what she talk. What make me go live beat and beat this picky beating mama beat generation. You crazy. A lot of women who want me. I day holiday. If not be holiday, we are day. By now, Sagana, a ring go the man away. A ring go me ask me here as son. A ring go me at them sit when I who you go me day. Sagana go too long. So que dori egbe yo iso wa yasi me we ga ku ya ku gbe si me gbe. I need it. I love it rough. I love it rough. And I will so rough handle you. I will so beat you. So que ya is egbe. Because we were there. Yes now. She is not my enemy children. So when I post this, people go to talk say no, why you go do this kind of thing? No. When somebody insult my children, they call for that person picking. Let me say that come shop. And if I must say, I'm not fair put picking matter for this our saga. Let me do saga now. Even the boy with the drag on that your ex-boyfriend, where you go to the vaga for the day when they do marriage, well drag It wouldn't go drag he no, because waga go le shentro here no marry. We are waiting to know waga go because the last time I checked. A soldier, I beg, who they aware the time when we do this what do they call them? That laptop while at that time. When that boy cause say, I said I'll see you number for you. I will call for Colana for the I will somba. I will Konore. I will call them. I will put her for speaker. Make people hear. Yes, so that one a special one. Oriena ogu hian wa gbe na ejebo oriena ogu hian wa gbe last ogu mo so gbe se so mdena e sage jebo we na e ma ya hin so we cleansing this girl una no say that boy when you say me carry a laptop una no say the story enter social media at that time I defend and debunk and can go juju I drag am make sure say I carry reach I was somba he reach go the back the now they are pan top, see there, I will Konorwe. They put off our web there. But people beg me, near my bugbe, and make me leave that boy. And if you drag that boy, come again, I'm my bugbe, my social media. Yes, I can do that for you. Every year, not sir. We hear my boy, we try hell. Where am I, boy, when I tell me, even I will my say, I will not walk him and my beer. What they prove very? What they prove very? I have my boy on it. Ugujime wo sa wa he mo boyo ni wo sa gbijime ima ha badon jime o mo bojo yodu to boy nu wetie boni bo aglemie awe ma so di mi ave ati aglemie awe me ma so gugwe me be tijo then na wo me se be gugwe meta or you too much friendship you said they must pay your dowry the boy tell you say calm down be calming down you say never in historica oh yak bele bonus away a marriage. Oh, you have to bonus away marriage. Allah. Atasin. DMJ. So can I walk and kick back? The government rigone. You give Beshile children. for me kayangwe. Ya what if you don't want to ya top eh? When I listen, now she sent for me. You say over special. Yes, so when I see the message what she sent for me, I want to read that for now. Also, when person don't find trouble, no they remember the time with the entire problem. The doctor and say go do one. And that my cousin brother, where he say give you my information. Why I information in? We be the later as a driver. Thank you, darling. We me big fish. He me select family me ivie la ose. I select me with bugbeta. Yin abere we wa mudia ogun ka we bugbeta ni. That boy carry me deceive me say he want me and do business. I don't fit tell this matter that time. He say he want me and do business. As he invites me, he say me a Bible because me I know some me like business. I be we like a business. Reach it there, I could discover say that boy. Thank you, not again. I could discover say that boy not be business. You say me we can't do. I fear care you now. They even ask the boy question. I remember that year now. Even they put that boy for speaker for live video. The boy does say live ma kweni ye. Do we no talk ya howe. You for quick come to come for your bekuso woli be because eke bonye ni ano. I'm a video my because why I'm a responsible mother. Small. What boy? She said before I go call talk to her. One of the listing. He said, my lovers, I have said I don't want to do saga. But I was told that one wombless woman, 55 years old cargo woman called Jama Mugu is calling me for saga. But before I can respond to her, I want to give her some condition. Let's move it. Let's go to that condition. And the condition in me very anyway. Why ye oh? Who can me jouer to start with? Who can me jouer nije ko ya pay gbese ne? Oh, hagiji soken bare. It's my condition because he soken ma pay gbese. Ave muji soken ade no do gba shago with pay, but on ma pay gbese. So why pay hagi jouer? Soken oh we atile to te mama na mugo. Oh, setile to to is mo lo ladian. E to we ya call yevani. We no ka bove and why you have ke we na imi meni me hegwe gbogwa. Uma bege no bano. If no bano, I'm not your go no ba. He here messy well. Or when she need to first remove her mouth odor for where me and you don't first down one place they talk. Those are irrelevant. Only the by saga. Me like a mouth odor is very good. Okay? Where? The last time I checked, I could not stay where you are with your body odor. Oh, we are lost drop body odor. Oh, we are bullet. Eski we not do nyama. Ona ripco. Eski we are rico. We beg that when I'm if it ya we sitting with live video, you can't do there you dare not. We are get shape where we can when we go say we are build the shape where no like normal shape. Lion building una na get kulisi oduku una na get gbogbo we toto ewo e only we do le me saga no go and spend money on yourself, go and do BB, go and build yourself who the kebe kere buy who the kebe buy okay before you come and saga me mo azama my sister beji mo run e ba we be bungalow e ba we ado yime e ba we ma we ado we saga o meme the Chris. Then number 2, I wish she need to first return the money she stole from his cousin mom funeral burial. Go and ask. Go and ask. Ask my family. They knows me. Moajigogaga. Money stop nonsense. Azama my sister Beji. Hey, Mo mego the family. Hey family kawiti me yoma wazingo. I told you when my late sister was when I lost my sister. Where no time no be ata no say my where my sister will be with the nana. Or where was the nana me mokpa or one of me go with the family. Mokpa he dies. You know why I work hard for it. I'm a hard working woman. I do 2 in one viral. Even just go by. What's the henna me go? Oh no me 4,000 euro every month. Oh wow, calculating on 4,000 euro a month. I get government. My hard-earned money. It will mini job. Even with normal job, it will could be. So at the end of the month, I can after expenses, you will left with 4,000 euro. Don't when you get a go, you don't move the hogwa. When you go you go the book here. No, I don't do that. So you had a baby or gay cousin brother when it's your time. What take your time away? You doing a funeral regime. Yeah, go or till I get the proof. We need proof. My family, I've called my family this morning. They say they need proof. Near the day Ladiane, a proof guy Rene, Ak Bologna area webo. A webo my one year time. My family like social media. Yeah, well, let's say when my read do any I will work out for that place. I can't give no result for you. The real I was saying I can't come and work. My beg of vigilant, my mighty forgive, he forgive. Even though the boyfriend will not be mighty forgive, he forgive because he won't neighbor. Jemmy, when I were Joe again, no, you want no depress. Or me pepe de woman, no do pepe. Ni ma understand. Na woman, no do pepe. In a way, if not a marriage, no, come marriage, I day. I don't why am I say too much? When I went marriage. Number 3. Number 4. She need to first go do marriage. Even if they want day. Majo wodo renojoro maje. Manajo wodo. Egben wachona. Nuwejo. Imejo wodo ya no. Iso yawe obo. Igwania because I enya can't wodo. Distance or the market marriage me. Go and ask. Ask me. I want to know information when we marry no say. You may make me go to marriage within I want day. I don't marry. I don't come back. But my marriage don't go wrong the way your own take go. You not go. I'm married, I did there. Suffer with my husband before I come abroad. Now abroad and separate us. Go and ask. Distance. Over there when we set him with what you away. Yes. Then number 5. She needs to first go look for who go help her carry baby from belle before she go. Before she is hopeless. My baby, I talk about him wulele. Gege. The bird now is soko in a make in a vehicle. Let this vehicle. Ya me saga na no dina. Ameno pa me no kwa me o gbe maya. Because the brother when care pa me no. My people, I know vessel. Why we? You only need to my wife. She give me condition, and the condition now they follow. So, you say, may I go find person who go help me do surrogacy? Oh, my way surrogacy egbe. Egbe nwewu. Na be no ro wagbe. O wa tayo magbe. That is why it will be very difficult. You say, please, our son is J boy mama na mugu. Oh, please be specific. Yes, now. J boy mama na mugu pikin. Erika ya tasin. I was specified because I'm gonna satisfy. I'm gonna specify. Oh, logo. My medicine don't go with your money over here. Copycat. Warrior we surrogacy. When egg, you don't have egg. That is why you went for surrogacy. Surrogacy that you went for, not that maybe somebody help you to carry it. Who will what the sperm you're not dog who buy? Who dog you're not a dog who? Not the self, specific. Okay, oh, Deutschland the mese. Specific. Okay, yeah, worry. So what the special well? Well, because me na one blessed person. I will tell boy wow. I had to boy. I'm a boy yao. Then she need to first born and make sure it's a DNA, not adopted child. I not adopt any pikin. I not adopt. Go and ask question. People they give you information, they go they give you wrong information. I not adopt pikin. Me no adopt pikin. I get my own children. I get my sister children. Go be say me. I sponsor since their mama die. They are my responsibility. I'm a Bijiana. But I cannot leave them. I have to bring them up the way, even if their mother was alive, would have not even do better as I did. Only way I can't leave the streets in the street. Yet it's in the streets. Mokbak baore money Nigerian yawo. Nigerian yawo senior here. I take responsibility of those children. And it's not a bad thing, it's not a new thing. But a bugwe, you don't two way be here. Be a where it's a gada. You go tire. Ukwavela, ukwawe muja. Whatever milisa kuzabude, milisa kuzabude, is a market, but I beg you. Copycat. I want she need to may adopt. Okay? I will never adopt a child. I had the boy me to be me number me ma be a daughter mo. I will not do it. I'm away even me na. Yeah, we are what we be ma wa kwa na. Iwa be hama. Iwa be boss bobo we. Egbe me na ya omomo no re. Egbe me ya. Omomo ya hin. Omomo ya hin. But because of the country that I am, that is why I need to be very careful. Because of Castle no damene. 2011. Go and ask your boyfriend. Oh, wait, 2011 5th. I built with my last born. And I gave it last. Because of all those things in Watana. You were so rogosi, you were VF in Wauni. If I have known, you may not want to veteran I keep pay. You busted bobo. But why you don't have VF or that can I do why you retire? Also now we Omona Bionona. All these people, they say I thief their meat for soup. But you yourself supposed to know the campus where I be. That may be meat. Or when you can't be lama, me I be pusher. Meat no they freak me. Meat no they freak me. She know. So can not be cook now. Potty. Atulasa seji. Or when they with the agbe. Or maybe they be no when they pajamas. Yes, you know the tutor, and I serve him breakfast. I not saying a lie. So you see, if person they talk like they come, like this one always say me go see for inside burial. People will still can't believe and saying true. I make here where the naked mama on social media. See they analyze now we get le monona. What say they go beat you? You go come enter come and me. Go and ask the story. Even with the boy might be like come mama when why they power they will carry on. Yes, a beg boviena by or tono told you vina you well than night bera. Since you win my moya cockere, your momorose no woman in a cohune. Deep matigale be what who do you wear Agbazaga with him with him. That's what the bewa. Eh? Let us do with Magale be even work high. What do you want to be can wear your work at Yakbewa? How can I your way a cookerina? You do me go. Well, continue. They say your sister will be proud of you wherever she is. My darling, I'm telling you. If you say that my sister children, you will not say yes. I try. I too try. Nobody help me. I get siblings abroad. Nobody help me take care of them. They leave that responsibility for me. When my own mother died, not let me bury my mama. When my papa died, not let me. I chest them. I chest them. I go so a good one. Ask people who know me. You don't know me now. Only through with 24 hours to spend for the marriage with taban. Na rule bukwa. Kwa remi uja. Daga so. Oka yo bukwa ti kwa. Oka yo bukwa ti nokba. Oka yo bukwa ti kwa. Yeah, Chris. Try. Kwa wana ojo tesano. Kwa wana oji yowe no. Megi webo we do kaka mawene. Egbebo Niger. Niger ye miewu no gbo mo. Wa one of best society for that one. Niger ye mie o webo. O webo. O ni yakove kiano ya rewo wodo. Dede no rewo wodo. O gbo mo. Den ma oni yan gbado ata saga. Ah? Oni no ma mi no mu. When you webo digbase. Amami we do no get you me. Amami Kobili. I hand up me bani. Why me work back with where the Kobili country? Amaka when you work in Nigeria. You have the big marriage women. I'm a here, mamma. Let's continue with our reading. She need to first carry pregnancy, even if not for one day. Okay. Make any the way saga o mejini odoregbe. She need to first breastfeed a child, even if they one day. And when I me breastfeed, boyfriend me one yege. Dog breastfeed no. They and when I one boyfriend me. Oh me. Emunu ye we have fin we. The man need to breastfeed on move. He could do little with saga. Because he want a special one, he got breastfeed on daily basis. O man wene jiwina. O wa wene kekba. O be do we okay with lovie. Doven we only have breastfeed at my age 54 years. I be more bojon you. Me bunu mo boji. Away number 10, number 9. She need to first enter labor room. Make she for know how pikin be for bekus. Labor room. Woje labor room wowe. Imani dinije labor room ke dog boy my dear. Bia ya over. At my age. Ya biomo na ya khoma. A boyfriend in your phone you wiwe. So I need to beat you. Enter coma. Before you know where just moved over. All your evidence, bring all of them. A picture letters in the hell at you. I don't do the phone about that. Yeah. All letters in where we may move a ko yao. At your letters in at ye. All letters in we may motorbomb drive. Ask from Lagos to Benin. Yeah, we are ready. That's why people will know you are a big liar. You are a big liar. But I'm not here to debunk it. Oh, I remember if you give me better way. I do calculate my no kulobo yak be koniban. The saga swing with proof. When marriage me majo, ina am now over. I need to first hear cry of baby for her house. Avie. Dictie yatore. Ni so asolo well. A cemetery. All we gonna hear so aso you well. E dove wa ma agui. Eri momojo. Eri orijeje mari carry orijejo. You want 2 times why I don't even message her. I even talk. I say I not go insult your mama. I talk and hold her. Say and we never insult your mother. But you bring my mother in first. I am a boy ya. Abe cause brother when in to do ale. Do ati. Me go no we wonu te ya tanu kwa make na me gbe nu ka ya mukwa. When I call here, that one and the 10 commandment which she give me. When I say no, the big commandment in me hell now you never reach you the learn waka. When I so done. Me mama need ni amo those ticket boa. Mo gbere wenwa. Beat mama beat speaking. Here we social media. Ane family mege. No one will what information we ya know. We be viage we be fast aye. O kama we ya se kparo we are ni mi are no na work. Mo test we are here. Ane ma ya ni ka dan we give abola ya gbe. We are teaching go do me. When you go do me bon, marriage will not man work. Now so this girl make a knock on a story how she enter that boy life. Get one boy they call me give a true story of a true story. Me a knock on a small. Okuna wa do mo ye gi an bread yon to we na gbe wa wo metiri wa we. Gege. Once upon a time. One girl they call Violet, not Tampa with Canada. When we were at school with Canada, we do your highway saga in live video. Ukon the war. Follow, lele. Ya saga mege. Oh, when we want me ma bie we mana wa jemo ya gime ono hia ze me magbu we saga. I will ya wa ga like when I boy we magbu ani so we must do the saga for 301. Saga. No leye. Ototu le ria. Ruga wa we gani. Ere ma ile lo na agun. Wa call me wo ni ya saga e. Wa gbe o ndan. Eru be we ya saga monika o so de na we ya saga e. O le ria o ka so yen. Despair. I actually the only got a live video ban. As it will. Only live video. Go on live video for by himself. That's why and that's no here me mag boy. Well, so I got one boy there. What did they call soldier? That boy. Now back for us for Nigeria. The boy there. Yes, now back of our house. Now the boy they call an old soldier. They do that for here for Germany here. The boy they say I think laptop so which they talk so. Come back the boy. Oga beg, oga vie. They cry. The value here. So very gentle boy, but the make on a mere, you know me. I don't know. I'll put the story for now. Where is the Viet be a life is true when me atana. Come back go soldier la I'm do Canada. Don't see me for Canada. Canada dry. You got Tory. What to be me? You know when the Tory me now. What to be me? I'm not going back to Kini. Or did me to turn out diagnose. The very first day when I go to soldier house, that time when I see the boy invite me, say, yeah, I call for business. Go business no be business, say na to you want to do vagana wa. When I tell since that boy pumped up that year, 2001. 2001 be 2021. Be 2020. And 2020 now. 2019. And it happened. 2019. So when I reached there, 2019, mama, she mama don't die, be mama never die. Mama never died that time. Well, 2016. Because mama died 2017. Yeah, 2016. Oh, mama don't die. Don't come from burial. Now when they come see my hepatitis come. 2017 stroke 18. Now it happened. Because during that period, now this my cousin brother mama see die. Yes. Now 2018. Now I can't go this boy house. Now the boy call carry me and say, Geni give jail. Now what soon or was a bang muna? Now does a ban him. Or when he got to go. Now we don't know we follow you never away again one girl for Canada. That they call her Violet Osagwe. Na ima on. When yes, I know say you no go know am. Then what is happen to them? Where I'm again the kind the girl come as runs girl. The girl in the friend Osagwe friend. The two be friend. So now he can't tell that girlfriend say me see help and find man for Dutch for Germany. Now even Germany be the fine. So make it tell the boyfriend like that and say me and my girlfriend now my girlfriend. If they travel from Canada, they go Germany, go the friend boy. So me no get a contact and say you see help me now. I say tell your boyfriend. So now so the contact tell also just say help us find a Kia we no gwale Kia. Uzuo, you want to come and chill with me? I me. He may select a family make be if you select me on a way OJ on a way OJ. That's me only make we marriage. I feel bagad le look bo. I below see ye o viji me wumi on away. If I be talk of the day. A marriage you get off my bed in me who are ew. Where Bemila be marriage you were ew. And I ask you. Where Bemila be burial marriage no Magbe. But a bed doggy me when my baby Jimmy make Bemily sideway. Not a big Jimmy. Egbe is 1.something million. Yak Bemila. Niya fide community. Oh, where there, where it be a coro, the marriage you will not be saying get one of my lawa. Well, because wow, who married those scatter the marriage, but where the mazay, but who know you can marriage after that marriage on your wake ya. Well, so I say, cut it man. That boy, another boy call the time say, ah, now you can introduce follow you give and say, follow you, a baby now. Oh, wow, so today with them, that was a plan. But if follow you now, you go with boy. I saw say to do some give follow you. So when they come tell me the story, me go call follow you say, I say, ah, my brother, this thing, it get as be a woman who you all know. He said, Daddy boy said, but now the girl say they must go do marriage. They cut it. I don't go waste anyone. Now so he got to beg that guy. And the guy can say, okay. Let me call tell follow you say, this guy you don't see him face to face. He say no. Now say, ah, if you never see him face to face, then why the hurry for marriage? How long would they not do together? And they said, nah, just 2 months. I said, my brother, for me, I go for say, hold on for this marriage. So that make una know as self first. I lie. When on view video, they not be 3 cow. Why is it joy? Honor you with the 7 cow, honor you with the 10 cow, not be done with the issue. The marriage not still there. When you was the marriage and not be 3 cow, I hear and I be another 70 cow we over. I hear more who work here, my work by competition. So now I cut to my brother and say, no, Mona friend me. Tell her when she come Spain, come meet you. Mona ask her whether she travel go Spain once. She no go. Ebe says Spain. Egeni. Ebe Nigeria I teach you. Oma just Spain. Because you don't just Spain. Ebony tell how we here marry. Now so we call do not call my brother cut to me say, no worry, I go see and when we reach Nigeria, you go carry and come meet me. Because they know me. When we really now my brother come that time my brother come beg me say I beg. You know, say you understand burial things and you understand many things. I beg. You know, say in himself never make I beg, make I escort and go down Nigeria. Not be say buy me ticket, and me buy my ticket by myself. Adazehi. Yes. Me buy my ticket by myself. Since omuwele legbene, we me go. E put power line. O wanagi low. We had to make passengers who me. If you be passengers, and I were otutu matwe. If you be passengers, na when you basha was vitally. When you basha was vitally, you were my blow or my be passengers. It didn't you it's going to be step by step. It well it didn't mean now save away. When the boom yana describe when I jouer, when I we vient we have je I'm aware of everything now. You know my boy ya. Emi yani ata my boy and we have it all my boy. Go shock you. So When we go reach Nigeria, I can't buy ticket. I can't say, okay, no problem. Now all of us we can't get to go Nigeria. Say she herself don't buy ticket. She don't have the same money. Now that boy come tell me say, even Sago don't have the same money for the marriage. That's the AJ. Sago don't have the same money for the marriage already. You know we are. You know okay. I tried to convince my brother. My brother said, he knows a big chop person money no fit. If the girl serious when we reach us, they fit do the marriage. But if not, they fit still return. That's okay. We'll see first. Then we'll go Nigeria. We reach Nigeria. And this girl carrying one Beticon. We say na car. You don't see my car. You don't see my car. Where you say na driver. You don't know the kind of car where me they use. You know they see my car where me they use. I got here bet you when we were 80 million. If you ain't bet shade man, we are remava. I don't want when the saga go come, you go enter your blood. Don't say that concept one lie to lie. You go feel lie. Say na me saga you. I never read in a doll it. No see me say jometi me ejina. Me roll it. Ege mi aya azipo po yak piki juwe. Oh we are here. Me adobo juwe kunsi ai. Go and ask the story. You see juwe di mofin ya beg yeke. Wa imie wa kama ima itebe gwegwoni ha o imie o beg o ya beg family veni ya imie me o say na said the mofiti ai since so ke we gbe day o do mu jayo yeke ya drag waya o pa yeke we ni are fu awo ya wa la lo cause people see when you go when you go call for there Moaza mama I am again, no, I'm a one yanini. I read it there. Now I follow you, they call me. My sister, we don't say, Obama market. I will drive, I will go GRA. Some more block for ring road there. They come meet me for hotel. I say, no. I let them go like this. Don't they prepare for the burial, for the marriage. As a young drive reach ring road, when I fell from air, look and reach Toto, or Binwe Bisha, or I wear with body odor. Or when you slug a goods, you want to make goods. Those are shower now. When you are talking of good, we know good. They were all showerlistics. And when I'm not Ladian, they press my man that say, Yaga, a bogwa, who would be able, why high? We want to who one Yamongo son wo John Sanoson no bo. You know what happened? And that's your thing he can away Glenna. If I know anywhere, I will marry you so. We don't want to be what do like by passing away. Let me we no the word. Because our connection was different. We know them when we see them. All that was in our face was anger, revenge. I call my brother beside me again. I told him, now I will what the go. I just explain my own part. When you get ready, honey, a nice person. If I get to know her, I will not say a nice person. I say, okay, where would they look? Now we start to. They prepare for marriage, would they prepare for burial? On the burial day, you see me and I'm up now. You carry your ekpetiko. They look you. No distance for they look you that day. You see me, I'm not near you. Me, I the observe person. I'm not green near you because my mind tell me say you be lousy person. I make me not near you. You try to make friends with me, I not accept them. Because I know say all about you were revenge. I saw it written all over you was revenge. You might want to hear revenge. Little did I know where Ukwa or revenge. I don't know what transpired between the both of you. Then we started the burial on that very fateful day. No say this cousin of mine, the mama de my meeting. The Bushas meeting. No say that lama meeting I see date tomorrow. I small picky 10 years now day when I enter Busha. Now I see date tomorrow. Calculate how many years. I no be your mate. Iwa. Me je when go na do afin agbe na. Ewo. Egbe ya e na e. He don't like me. Don't man like me. We have decided to come and jump into the potopoto in social media. We will help you. We soak you inside. Maru we no ready. Not the apple. Maru we potopoto. Na there with the swim. Not the apple. We don't lananya. Have a soak where you wear. All everlasting pain. No anytime. I keep a picture na ho work. Pa video na yagbo we. Video na yagbo view we na. I keep a ho ebo nware. O me kena reswa be you ao. O ne don na work se there yo. O ta ke so te se. Nware no hin. Ne hin gbegbe na hin akpegbe. O ke lala mu wa. Hin akpegbe o ke wu. A ke wu no ka so be you o ne. When we run who say we me go we na just social media do salawe ige social media we have pay for me. Ma ige social media dem rock pade. Me na ke ti pay at pay at ima put because me chance ni. Mo me bona put pay at. Ye pay at yawo. I get money. It was credit card no go, MasterCard no go, it's MasterCard Gold. Imagine, no do how my wedding with 60,000 Canadian dollar. No man say 15,000 euro. Wogwa, we are may 100,000 euro la papa na. Euro wa. E wa ari bank no whatever they asaka ya ladia. Do mo your table. We no I have rights. Now we can't do the burial that night. Oh, so we can't sit down for a motor. You said they marry you for passengers. When you come reach Nigeria, we can't sit in a passengers. Why you not revise? I'm a minority well and one room, mama with passengers. He said when he reached there, he can't discover say that passengers, but you know say that passengers, you still marry the boy. Why? Why not return? Return of Osagwe. What the monarch you well let you Zagaberia. Ah, na gege when I make na we marriage we gaje. Na gege when I get but where give any mama. But you know you we gbe yo ahwa. I must belong, I must work with gbe yo all for pepede. Udo agbe boni with the nena ni where you de bossas in to ga bossas for me kia. Any money no spend it. Everybody will not know where yes. Idio go do fian you. That's about me. You got Bomeka, you go marry up away. But I won't do that. If we want to get on a beer, or why my passengers? Gualo. Ya milk be I can no access rane. Cause money to say. The money do ya do fi bonde ma give ya seva. Ya rega access hero ijo. There must be an access. Ya is only access Yes. He said to me, "Susebe, bomomo do segbe no wine. He will be a home do be a kiwani kuku say coco already made he must to move, but he jeve we. Ugbegi seba we give passengers no wa return for Sagwe. Who return? You not make sure we tabos to a burial on that burial day. You sat inside the vehicle, mamu mature. Kana we bury mature na love you moto. Unati follow you la moto man wagata. I was watching. Follow you boom ya the wuhu yakba. Ina buwi ya dina we wuhu yakba. At this time, you go 2 o'clock. Bo giaso. 2 a.m. in the morning. Now we walk back. Or we now we na moto. Already me we are me lelu we no ready. More FBI. No more lelu woni sa yo lelu ni sa to know your whereabouts. Because when you need to make the mistake. You know we early again now. Gana din work be na gana 60 years in or dienje. Ona tabane ni wina shawo. E wan so gazi. Gazophobia infection. Mio gazi. O ko no gba mana ejile isemila jin ohene eki ala yin ohe. Wa ye gbo ko we oni. O do fe bo fe mete bo wu me wa ge kekan me wa la dian wodo. Ati gba di ke yo sogo e bolekia. Ou on bole qui a to mon miamenu ne qui a ni miameni do lemla ou ga bole ne sa ki la tene ou beni do mu fashion on a tie fashion bekus bekus we aka wa jisemila yo apiko amana jisemila yo apiko ne ki ala we forgot na wa ye gbo oh no il faut bien apiko bekus of fashion On you no infection. Fẹ́ yẹ gbọ́ we on you. Umba no. Umba. More. I made the runner. Then this girl one thing where you take body, you know say when woman don't to lie or finya gbegbe. When the finya gbegbe don't they come out, the person call it like withdraw. When she turned to boast for that my brother, eri yan gberi yan mu oro gbe o ze ro. Lamukwa. That's my Toby John. I greet you, darling. How is he doing? Where can don't see a bunny me mote bunny jimo when you get in you? Why advice me very honey? Anybody sagana case make go where you are not in the position to speak on Mama Nora issue. That's what I told you. Because all women will work. They don't will work when I go with banana is good. And the way you speak about Mama Nora, it annoys me. Those are people you call a friend. Those are people you don't advise them out. You call them in. If possible, who the ticket to Buyandi to come and pepper us. Well, you want $1,700. You have the ticket all the way from Canada drive. Nana Myokbia. It be Canada Mugwa. If be Canada, equally faku for yamu. Yamu vieto. It be Canada, be Canada mu who we are doing it all ya realm for. Yamu. Cause yamu wavin wajie. Be Canada mu. Also, women no more with Canada. There, I don't know where more on a kajala is similar you are quick on it. I can't wait. Which man they do that one? That is all quite left her. I'm coming there. She rake. On my bay, you put on myself, cannot tell energy. My brother was thinking where it is true. Ono ya tari mu bwa bivani me dori mu wona e wona e o tan se o tan se tavi aho eva wa via pege o tan gbe o wo pa stage o te wo so o tan na stage ya e me so ro o je Nigeria e o te ho na nwa yo hia gbogbe won ya ore o te me a je Nigeria me agbe 3 months e o te stage o so wo so o tan na stage e o te na always discount wo agbe 3 months I want to pay 100,000 because ya ho we ba. You dey crazy. Okay, man, we are married. We pass it just in a year. Only leave you, where other the way I hotel, we not buy a hotel, or hotel, follow you in Nigeria to tell you where hotel stage, you're not going 1 year. It's married to defend on it. Because of team work, they prove all the Ladianete dog bunny. Or anything you have been in your care, whatever. Oh, uga me prove very large than where me you tana in your gele time away. Una mi odio be because we call you we. Una mi odio be ne e wa ni me na he. Ide do la ya motive ni mo we imwo aga igele wapi. Me ze gbeg. Okay, family war. Yeah, me like a family war. I go get house everywhere. I go see they stay out. Oh, my dear brother. Frank, I beg, ask me, oh, ask me. Bragado no be here. If you gbe. When we go, wow, we social media, known as a blogger, lemon, lord of lemon. Who are so? Jimunere blogging, unere no me arriva. A degbe or moto or nyan in any way with steady because okay. This guy no gas for Canada that time. They sleep for say caravan. Caravage, but not come to me Canada passports. Omamwe. We in a way, I'm not come to me or Canada passports. Okay, ya lemana. We no kadom you go with Spain. Make you feel consider you for Spain. Now that you take no first study this girl or 20 man. Know me. At the end of the day, after that burial that night, then this girl come out 2 o'clock. I see just the journal come my husband say, come, go drive, follow this girl. I want to know. So I take drive for long for back. Yeah. I have a set of men we're waiting for our bell. Ologe, adulterous woman of our season. Who will win? When I want to go John, then I'm going to go on a fake you. Where you go, and go talking avec Bouwe. Parce que vous passez ton. What marriage do vous passer ton? Allah. Ah, vous quatin na. Vous quatin na. Vous quoi va le tin na. Egbe wa le wenye. Ah, marriage na. Sago yen ka mama woman no do gbin kokun re ni bini. Hello?
Yeah, long nice.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What did happen?
So much. Just family issue.
Family issue. They call you. Who call you? What does it happen? Okay. Why they call the user and they disturb you now? Okay, know what go happen, eh? Why they call they disturb you? Where can I have you? My son, go and sleep. Yeah? If you wake up, we'll talk. I did live stream, yeah? Alright, love. You don't go call my picking for us. They come talk to me. Egba! Saga just continue. Eh, mona no wegena. Ki vie teme okogo me, he goes a little bad day, ya. He protects ya. Kini me hiyan se. Usati le lemezi wegbe. Now I just follow that girl. You get kia ya khoebada. Na re kia you. Okay. Everybody you tell and say, oh yeah, you go locate conspiracy. We ain't dating. I'm follow you there. In Canada. Now I'm following a water. A move in Canada rock ba. We are what money we been. When you hate your brother family, do you marry well? Why you continue the marriage? Why your brother why say back from desert? My picture like the yak bomber. Woman wo South Africa je wa gbe o. Which match is no other way, but match me wala we po. Wa gbe o. Ndan. Acha wa go show me. I don't trust woman. Yeah, got mona. And this picture they pity for. You know why? You know get papa. The brag I don't know be here. When I brag is on your social media. I'm on social media. When we go say, why you go social media? I go school for Canada. I want to go a red card near the airport with all the lies. You Canada. You say you paid my sister a monthly salary. Under which condition? No go and we follow you. We follow you when you why me? No be you kwa get pipi o, God forbid you kwa get me oja. O kwa na wana boy no kwa ma bia no kwa o. No bo for kwa. Na ye ven ye wa. O itore. Na ye ven ye wa. Any passage. Any palo. No be kwa ke pikin. And what gbe sunu kwa gna. No be kwa 77 sperm. 77 sperm. De kra ya golera. We are the one for Saturday look for the pikin papa. 77 sperm. I hear question. Who was 77 sperm? Eh go kwawe. Ah form na mune. The na ya clear fibrosis and ro work bu eni. You know ya ta. E de what you dirty answer. He has a uro para mama anado mo ego ho. I am ego up there about 77 plus 50 ori ku obe a misi kugbe ay omona mera na we na wagbona anobe wune omona wune we na wagbona aswe na ifwa awori ye my be your mate tina wako na wabo amie so we na remwe lucky the when we mero wa I am in Reims in France. It all it say. Also now go respect na we give me so one. You will know why they say hello. Come and tell me have a banana. Come. Adeo. Where here? Where the then you go giano there? What blocky? Oma hama me o. Okay. Omana. Tell what because the other guy in me tell wearing no ni have the go na me vani. So all in a do right me win. Eh? So anyway, sha no wala we imagine winner. Okay, we are your man. No wala yati we would be bama you are busy here. Then why me bongi? Okay. La check odien vie awe ororo de la diane o la wo. Ami vie you have freezer ni. Let's see. So, eri mami ese o. We have a body Morocco. I saw this woman wreck. I want to carry her into. Then the next thing, we don't hear, they don't plan. That very day of that burn, I know me. You want to go loja, be me guaja. I know they like too much insults. Most if I wait, I know. Say, I go feel achieve. Every year me hear it, sir. But you na kak me voice say. A cozy brother menine. None we in evidence. Because this girl, omala women, omala wije, omala two women one day. So, e keno na mie, no mie, no talochia o. Ma ono ka do benin ma make na a cozy brother ni. Ori ta ma mineri ma gbe. I will kill one of your soap man, you have to see only like go. I don't want the nigga to swan wipe. I know no mercy o. Egbe no ri me gbe bi arin egbe. Egbe no veri chime gbe bi ari jin egbe. Egbe no veri gbe sati jime bi jo ari sati je vodo. Adogele volo e. E no sunu 1962 agbe do sto ekwa. Na re no la wa wu ma wuwa. Este ni re kini jime je, no bi na con shop. Egbe ni jime na omodo ya no egbe ijo. Amu jime bi na mobile. Iya ya watch my social media. O dinya we o. Ovie pa wala kati are social media ovie ko na to like social media odiyan iye so atimi wa se yan avie la je demi yiro no ye ti unu wa pa wonare gba la wo ma ge gbe so yan avie wa ma go yan ta bet people na knows me when me ma there you don't see one person don't comment for social media say many view yon sama wijime when on say e me yeta Oma heri me wi yon sawo no ladian. He bete 1,000 euro yo. He make a 2,000 euro. Oma na iti ladian. Okay, on va webo of your boy. You be bemwe. Or have your boy a bonnet von. We just me gele wi yon sa. He did 2,000 euro ne. Okono we 100,000 menye. Okono we 50,000 menye. He did 2,000 euro ne. Omo. He a we live video jane. We me wi yon sa. Me kek by Nigeria nire. Make you give me a deal where Madame Mumere. Not be Madame Karemi come abroad. You never heard my story. E Madame Mujugwere. Ijwe maasa. Igo nyak biko. Igi jwe. Ije Violet. Ijo sagwe. No America. Igo nyakpi kobe. E Napoli ve Zaragoza ve Castanenemi. Ya igo na nyakpi ki joué. Ave boni no bien keke ni an filo bojo wi joué. Iji me ma gbachawo. Obieva ma ije me. Weji me ma bien aro eva. Ma mo ya nije me bien no. Yakpa biele yana. Eri me wuji me. Ana di ake woni ije me we gbe are on. What did you me for what? He even bond with eri me. I try. When the doctor tasse, when I tell my mama me go fair husband me they do vaga. You know what we have any when I kewu. And you me suffer you me ask give you me game. When not when the neighbor friend when I'm moriere of your goja of your calaba moriare. Of your goja of your calaba. Motobo drive ari to calaba ari yok bari. Motobo drive ari or goja yari of your goja gijime. Oga gba orije mi anya je. Ije meje ogo meguga no. Ije meje ogo meguga no. Ogo meguga no. Anybody very agije me ba. Ije me mak pekpilo. My mother was wet to do. Awa. Ije first lady. Ije we mana mi wu. O we gbagbe bo we. O we gbe poda yen we ta iba we ije first lady. We my own water. Magale do wa je me ma won e wa o. So when you go down, you won't go there. I'm not to go to Fuk Begijime. When I reach where my message me, got to Fuk Begi. Jimmy Magbasha, or give my Wijime. Jimmy ma be. Just the same word we tell no way. To marry by. Nobody carry you. Nobody. What did the one you do? Okona kaji similar you akpi konake de kia yo. I hear ya we no we. I saw a worry follow you waje bossa. I say va. Oje bossa kpa doje va doje a. Sa we ga go ga drag e kia. O ga sie do wiye. Do wiye na we o eri magbata. Do wiye. Do wiye. Wiye ni hama. Wiye ni ori go ni mazayo na we. E me na ata wiye ko wiye we. Wa he e kia na gwalo. You beg for the prick. Oga soye prikini, you cried. You cried. Ake do mou faloji nou we vieje kiani. Ou in jo. You cry me living witness. Et atama me neve saga. That is why imana oni elelewe we saga nani. Because saga ni areata wani buyi menata. Wow. Agbele kwa. Also now when you calm down on my holiday, let me remind you. How do you cassette play? You don't know me. Do you know my history? Can me follow you when I story me my way? Mo azama my sister bitch. No we go se mere family money, rugby money. Go ask. Kiko kikbia rugby ni no we go se mere. Yes. Ijime, imonijime bie, imonetijime bie. Pull them all together. I'm aware. Whenever we train with school, so whenever we train, we are maybe many women you will be. You fact we are large and we both banu ale rume. O ma khori yan meje, me yan tieje, mommy. Me no, ima yo besi mu yan no tie meje ro. Mommy. They don't do anything without me. You know, they say, well, I be 10 first lady Jaboni ya I stood for them. That is why you see them. They respect me. They love me as their mother. When my family were coco, you want to come and chill with me? I have more than 10 people. I said, be no gyomo. Mo yewe training. That my late sister Ovie no bie. Ovie biene. Omo no bieni mo we koke. Shock you. I am their grandmother. If Nijia wawe unia, unia ni. Mam you gwena. Don't get this stuff here, my phone. You're not work with give me boom zigbe. The mona wait to. I see my son don't go work. Okay. I'm not going to Donina. Okay, Nama Yore, Canada. Okay. Nama Yore. So, areas stories agwe a part 1 aeta now. My life part 2 season fight here no. It's going to be a season fight. You are going to love it. Me, I love it rough. Gay. A day holiday. Let me come back from my holiday. Madori yowe tawe. Me make a corne. Me tie kotonu ne tie yani atie ne. E pisho wona igalele e shuran ya fefefe ni agume swabeyo. Ni agume gbabeyo oni ya we sacrifice. Owen mado yo motile. Me pe wa ni bi agbompege ba. Owen mado yo motile. Let's go there. Go work be one in the vehicle because I will see come back and analyze that place. But may I your fair play the part, this very particular part. Hey, unique be. If you have to beg you. Monsieur Ladin.
That one we want listing. But some of you now we still dey in this line. We want remarry.
Wait.
For it goes to mama burial. But every day, they see that dog that they always call me for her kids. I never told her why they call me. She need the important things. For it goes to mama burial. But every day, they see that dog that they always call me for her kids. I never told her why they call me. She need the important things.
Not good.
Mona,
Is that okay now? It's still the echo.
Mona, listen.
It's echoing. Wait, let me do it. Not good.
Oh.
Hello, my lovely, amazing people. Good afternoon, everyone. With the wash, we want to listen to true life story of one blogger. Now, blogger he call himself, okay? Where they did social media. The amount actually started from the time of lost dream marriage cancelled and reopened again. So, along the line, a lot of people started to quarrel with themselves for inside, and they can't lead to.
Mona, listen to what it lead to this one now.
Mrs. Lawa and this woman where they talk so. Okay, they say this woman can't answer Mrs. Lawa. He can't start to the talk in your own story. What it happen? Okay, so make we listen. This one where they talk, so it not really concern us. So that's why we don't really get time for the story, whether it's true or not true. At the same moment, Suwa say it's not true because she also be a Rio, you know, the rich house. But we're not really here to debunk what he talk about Mrs. Lawa. We are here to hear our own true life story. How she just spent 16 years for husband house, and she's just barely 30-something. Okay, in this
That's
video,
why
she said she's
I
under 40.
She said Mrs.
So,
Lawa.
and she has spent 16 years in husband's house, and she don't actually be married by 2 men. But right now, as we are speaking, she have no one. So she want to tell us a true life story, what actually happened. Hello, Mommy Emily, how are you? Please, so Mommy Emily's sake, please, can you kindly share this video and thumbs up, please, my people. I love you. Okay, so make we hear. Go soon start Mrs. Lawao. Yeah, it just they talk about their two, but he go con start. He go soon finish Mrs. Lawao. He go con start his own true life story. Now that one we want listen. May some of una wasted day in this line. We want remarry or with the relationship like wait till she take handle her own. May you for know so many red signs. Except say you want to tell yourself say uma onu amo go or wagon.
Yes.
Because 16 years we go spend for this.
She's supposed to approve.